Handgun General 1138. Happy Birthday Jesus Edition. What handgun would Jesus use? Then he said unto them, He that hath no sword, 9mm, let him sell his garment and buy one. I come not to bring peace, but a Glock 19 Gen 4. Translation, mine. Jesus was a carpenter, a poor ass nigga. He would have a PSA dagger or a Taurus. Jesus could get a whole town swerved on a Home Depot bucket of tap water. He could drive the merchants out of the temple with whatever gat he wanted. He was a Jew and would have used an Israeli-made gun chambered in 50 Angel Express, with a finish worthy of the King of all kings. A poor ass nigga. You think he was a bad carpenter? So guys, what do you think Jesus would use? And have a Merry Christmas. Here's to a new year,